Hi, we've recently added a new app called ClaroRead to all of the students' Chromebooks. Your students may notice this app automatically shows up on their Chromebook. It's over here on the side on my screen. This app is helpful for our students who need help reading text, either on a web page, a Google Doc, Google Slide, etc. To use the app, the student simply clicks on an area on the web page and then clicks the play button. The computer will read the text to them, and as it reads to them, it will highlight each sentence. If the students do not need this, or you don't want this showing on their computer at any particular time, it's easy to get rid of it. Up in the top right-hand corner, you'll notice a blue star. Click on that and uncheck the click and play. Then click on the screen, and the icon is gone. Similarly, if the student wants the ClaroRead on their computer screen, they simply click on the blue star, click and play, and the app launches.